Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of open source, exploring some of the most top-trending open source GitHub projects this week, Part 1, that are pushing the boundaries of AI and SaaS development. In this video, we're going to take a step-by-step look at several incredible projects that can help you build everything from AI-powered video applications and intelligent AI copilots to scalable learning management systems and super-fast large language model fine-tuning solutions. We'll cover projects like the AI Video Starter Kit for creating browser-native video apps, CopilotKit for embedding AI assistants directly into your React applications, Graphite for building modular AI assistants, and more.
Before we jump into today's project updates, here's a quick announcement for everyone. We've launched a brand new YouTube channel called AI Agent Studio, dedicated entirely to AI agent projects, tutorials, and tools. So if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest AI agent open source projects, learning how to build your own agents, or exploring cutting-edge agent frameworks, make sure to check it out. Subscribe now to get weekly videos, in-depth guides, and real-time project breakdowns. The link is right there in the description. Don't miss it. Alright, let's get into today's video.
Project number 1: AI Video Starter Kit. Build AI-powered video apps in the browser. The AI Video Starter Kit is an open-source project designed to simplify the creation of AI-driven video applications directly in the browser. Developed by the FAL.ai community, this toolkit leverages technologies like Next.js, Remotion, and FAL.ai to provide a seamless development experience for integrating AI models into video workflows. What sets this starter kit apart is its comprehensive approach to browser-native video processing. It enables developers to handle video composition, audio integration, and voiceovers without relying on server-side processing. This client-side capability ensures faster development cycles and a more interactive user experience. The kit also offers direct integration with state-of-the-art AI models through FAL.ai, including Minimax for video generation, Hunyuan for visual synthesis, and LTX for video manipulation. These integrations allow developers to harness advanced AI functionalities, such as lip-syncing and talking head generation, within their applications. Additionally, the AI Video Starter Kit provides developer-friendly utilities like metadata encoding, streamlined video processing pipelines, and ready-to-use UI components. These tools are designed to accelerate the development process and reduce the complexity associated with building AI-powered video applications. In essence, the AI Video Starter Kit offers a robust foundation for developers aiming to innovate in the realm of AI-generated video content. By addressing common challenges and providing a suite of integrated tools, it empowers creators to build sophisticated, AI-enhanced video applications with greater ease and efficiency. Project number 2: CopilotKit. Build AI copilots directly into your app. Imagine adding an AI assistant to your app that understands your users and helps them in real time, without needing to build everything from scratch. That's exactly what CopilotKit offers, an open-source toolkit that lets you embed AI copilots, chatbots, and agents directly into your React applications. It's designed to be flexible, developer-friendly, and production-ready. What makes CopilotKit unique is how deeply it integrates with your app's live data and user context. Instead of just adding a generic chatbot, you can build AI features that truly understand what your users are doing, like helping them write content, analyze spreadsheets, or navigate complex workflows. It supports real-time context awareness, meaning your AI assistant can respond based on the actual state of your app. CopilotKit also supports multiple AI providers, including OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, and Google Gemini, offering flexibility and scalability to meet diverse business needs. For developers, CopilotKit provides pre-built UI components like Copilot Chat / and Copilot Pop-up / as well as React hooks like Use Copilot Chat and Use Copilot Readable. This means you can quickly add AI features without reinventing the wheel. In summary, CopilotKit is a powerful tool for developers looking to integrate AI assistants into their applications. Its deep integration capabilities, support for multiple AI providers, and developer-friendly components make it a standout choice for building intelligent, context-aware features. Project number 3: Graphite. Build modular, domain-specific AI assistants with ease. Graphite is an open-source framework designed to simplify the creation of domain-specific AI assistants through modular, event-driven workflows. Its unique architecture allows developers to build AI agents that are not only flexible and extensible but also easily observable and auditable. What sets Graphite apart is its composable design. Developers can assemble assistants using loosely coupled components such as nodes, tools, and workflows, all coordinated through events. This modular approach enables the construction of complex logic, including large language model, LLM, calls, function executions, and retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, processes, all managed via dedicated pub/subtopics and commands. Graphite's event-driven architecture ensures that every action within the AI assistant is traceable and manageable. Features like observability, idempotency, and auditability are built in, making it easier to monitor, debug, and maintain AI workflows. This is particularly beneficial for applications requiring compliance and reliability, such as finance, healthcare, or real estate. An example of Graphite's capability is demonstrated in its Property Search Assistant, which utilizes a Know Your Client (KYC) pattern to manage human-in-the-loop interactions effectively. This showcases how Graphite can handle real-world use cases that demand both automation and human oversight. In summary, Graphite offers a robust platform for developing AI assistants tailored to specific domains. Its combination of modularity, event-driven design, and built-in observability tools makes it a valuable resource for developers aiming to create reliable and maintainable AI solutions. Project number 4, SaaS App. Build your own learning management system. Imagine creating your own online learning platform with built-in payment systems and user management. That's exactly what the SaaS App project by Adrian Hajdan offers. This open-source project provides a comprehensive template for building a learning management system, LMS, using modern technologies like Next.js, Supabase, and Stripe. What sets this project apart is its integration of essential features required for an LMS. It includes user authentication, course creation, content management, and secure payment processing. The use of Supabase simplifies back-end operations, handling database management and real-time data synchronization. Stripe integration ensures that monetizing your courses is straightforward and secure. The project is designed with scalability in mind, allowing developers to customize and expand upon the existing features. Its modular architecture means you can add new functionalities, such as quizzes, certificates, or forums, without overhauling the entire system. The clean and responsive UI ensures a seamless experience for both instructors and learners across all devices. For developers looking to enter the e-learning space or entrepreneurs aiming to launch their own educational platform, this project serves as an excellent starting point. It not only accelerates the development process but also provides a solid foundation built on best practices and modern tools. In summary, the SaaS App project uniquely combines a robust tech stack with essential LMS features, offering a ready-to-deploy solution for anyone interested in building an online education platform. Project number 5, Payload CMS. Empowering developers with a code-first headless CMS. Imagine a content management system that gives developers full control over their application's backend while providing content editors with an intuitive interface. That's exactly what Payload CMS offers. Built with TypeScript and React, Payload is a headless CMS designed to seamlessly integrate with Next.js applications, allowing developers to define their content structures directly in code. What sets Payload apart is its code-first approach. Instead of relying on a graphical interface to define content models, developers use code, ensuring type safety and version control. This method not only streamlines the development process but also allows for greater flexibility and customization. Payload's admin panel is automatically generated based on the defined schemas, providing content editors with a user-friendly interface to manage content. This panel is fully customizable, enabling teams to tailor the experience to their specific needs. Another standout feature is Payload's support for both REST and GraphQL APIs, which are auto-generated based on the content schemas. This dual support ensures that developers can choose the best tool for their specific use case, enhancing flexibility and efficiency. Security and scalability are also at the forefront of Payload's design. With built-in authentication, access control, and support for various databases, including MongoDB, Payload ensures that applications are both secure and capable of handling growth. In summary, Payload CMS offers a unique blend of developer-centric features and user-friendly interfaces, making it an ideal choice for teams looking to build scalable, customizable, and efficient web applications. Project number 6, BlurHash. Compact and visually appealing image placeholders. Imagine you're scrolling through an app, and instead of blank boxes while images load, you see beautifully blurred previews that hint at the content to come. That's the magic of BlurHash, an innovative tool developed by Wolt. BlurHash transforms images into short strings, just 20 to 30 characters long, that can be decoded into visually pleasing placeholders. These placeholders enhance user experience by providing context during image loading, especially on slower connections. What sets BlurHash apart is its efficiency and simplicity. Traditional methods might use low-resolution thumbnails, which can be bulky and slow to load. BlurHash, however, uses a mathematical technique called the discrete cosine transform, DCT, to capture the essence of an image's colors and structure. This data is then encoded into a compact string using base 83 encoding. The result is a lightweight representation that can be easily stored and transmitted. On the client side, this string is decoded to generate a blurred image that serves as a placeholder until the full-resolution image loads. This approach not only improves perceived performance but also adds a touch of elegance to the user interface. Developers can integrate BlurHash into various platforms, including web and mobile applications, thanks to its availability in multiple programming languages like Swift, Kotlin, TypeScript, and Python. In essence, BlurHash offers a smart solution to a common problem in digital design: how to handle image loading gracefully. By providing a compact and attractive placeholder, it enhances user experience without adding significant overhead to the application. It's a testament to how thoughtful engineering can lead to both functional and aesthetic improvements in technology. Project number 7, Tweakcn, Visual No-Code Theme Editor for Shatn/UI Components. Imagine you're building a website using Shatn/UI Components and Tailwind CSS, but you want your design to stand out from the rest. That's where Tweakcn comes in, a visual, no-code theme editor that empowers developers and designers to customize their UI components effortlessly. What makes Tweakcn unique is its user-friendly interface that eliminates the need to write complex code for theming. Instead, you can visually adjust colors, fonts, and other design elements, making it accessible even to those with minimal coding experience. This approach streamlines the design process, allowing for rapid prototyping and iteration. Tweakcn also offers a variety of beautiful theme presets to kickstart your design journey. These presets serve as a foundation, which you can further customize to align with your brand identity or personal preferences. The tool's focus on Shatn/UI components ensures seamless integration and consistency across your project. Another standout feature is the ability to export your customized themes easily. Once you're satisfied with your design, Tweakcn allows you to generate the necessary code snippets, which you can then incorporate into your project without hassle. This functionality bridges the gap between design and development, fostering better collaboration between teams. In summary, Tweakcn revolutionizes the way developers and designers approach theming in Shatn/UI projects. By providing a visual, no-code solution, it simplifies the customization process, accelerates development timelines, and promotes unique, personalized designs. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a design enthusiast, Tweakcn offers the tools you need to bring your creative vision to life. Project number 8, Unsloth, Supercharging LLM Fine-Tuning for Everyone. If you've ever tried fine-tuning a large language model like Llama, Mistral, or Gemma, you know it can be slow, expensive, and resource-heavy. But Unsloth changes the game. This open-source tool makes fine-tuning not only faster but also more accessible, even on modest hardware. What makes Unsloth unique is its ability to accelerate training speeds by up to 30 times while using up to 90% less memory compared to traditional methods like Flash Attention 2. This means you can train models in hours instead of days, all without needing high-end GPUs. Unsloth achieves this through several key innovations. It employs manual optimization of compute-intensive operations and custom GPU kernels, enabling efficient training without hardware upgrades. Additionally, it supports quantization techniques like QLoRA and LoRa, allowing for 4-bit and 16-bit fine-tuning. Another standout feature is its user-friendly API, which simplifies the fine-tuning process. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Unsloth's straightforward interface makes it easy to get started. Unsloth also offers flexibility in deployment. You can fine-tune models locally, on platforms like Google Colab, or integrate with services like AWS SageMaker for scalable solutions. In essence, Unsloth democratizes the fine-tuning of large language models, making it faster, more efficient, and accessible to a broader audience. Whether you're working on a personal project or deploying enterprise-level AI solutions, Unsloth provides the tools to fine-tune models effectively without the need for extensive resources. Project number 9, OpenHands, AI-powered software engineer for end-to-end development. Imagine having an AI teammate that can write code, run commands, browse the web, call APIs, and even copy code snippets from Stack Overflow, all within a single workspace. That's what OpenHands offers, an open-source AI agent designed to perform tasks akin to a human developer. Built by All Hands AI, OpenHands integrates tools like a code editor, terminal, browser, and planner, enabling seamless collaboration between developers and AI agents. What sets OpenHands apart is its ability to handle complex software engineering tasks autonomously. It has demonstrated impressive capabilities, solving over 50% of real GitHub issues in software engineering benchmarks, which underscores its practical applicability in addressing real-world coding challenges. This performance is achieved through the integration of advanced language models like Anthropic's Claude Sonnet 4, enhancing its natural language understanding and task execution precision. OpenHands is designed for flexibility. It can be run locally using Docker or accessed via OpenHands Cloud, which offers $50 in free credits for new users. The platform supports various large language models and provides a sandboxed environment for safe code execution. This ensures that developers can experiment and deploy AI agents without compromising their system's integrity. In essence, OpenHands transforms the traditional development workflow by introducing an AI agent capable of end-to-end software development tasks. Its open-source nature and robust performance make it a valuable tool for developers seeking to enhance productivity and streamline their coding processes. Project number 10: MCP Registry, a community-driven directory for AI tool integration. Imagine a centralized hub where AI developers can effortlessly discover and connect to a vast array of tools and data sources. The MCP Registry serves as this nexus, offering a comprehensive, community-curated directory of Model Context Protocol (MCP) servers. These servers act as bridges, enabling AI models to interact seamlessly with external systems like databases, APIs, and applications. What sets the MCP Registry apart is its commitment to standardization and accessibility. By providing a RESTful API, it allows for easy management of MCP server entries, including listing, retrieval, creation, updating, and deletion. This ensures that developers have up-to-date information on available integrations, complete with metadata, configurations, and capabilities. The registry supports various environment configurations and offers health check endpoints for service monitoring, ensuring reliability and robustness. Its support for both MongoDB and in-memory databases provides flexibility in deployment, catering to diverse development needs. By fostering a community-driven approach, the MCP Registry encourages collaboration and continuous improvement. Developers can contribute to the registry, expanding its repository of MCP servers and enhancing the AI ecosystem's interoperability. In essence, the MCP Registry simplifies the integration process for AI applications, acting as a one-stop directory for discovering and managing connections to a multitude of external tools and data sources. Its standardized, open-source framework empowers developers to build more versatile and context-aware AI solutions. And that wraps up our exploration of these 10 incredible open-source projects. These projects are all open-source, meaning you can explore their code, contribute, and adapt them for your own needs. I highly encourage you to check them out. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which project you're most excited about, or if there are other trending open source projects you'd like to see in a future video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss part 2 and other tech explorations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.